Hello students, now this is the continuation part of the previous chapter, your chapter number 1, which was left. In the previous part we have done about how Oli was enjoying with his parents, with his friends. Okay, so in this part now we will learn about what happened to him. आगे क्या हुआ उसके साथ. Okay. Now, one day when Oli was happily hunting for fish in the sea with his parents, he swam straight into a thick cloud of smelly black sludge that was spreading through the water. The sludge quickly coated Oli's feathers. One day what happened when Oli was happy hunting for fish in the water, in the sea, pani mein, looking for the fish with his parents. He swam straight into a thick cloud of smelly black sludge. See this word sludge. Sludge means sticky mud, चिपचिपी मिट्टी, चिकनाई, गंदगी, dirty. ठीक है, sticky mud, sludge. क्या था पानी के नीचे? Black कलर का sticky mud था. That was spreading through the water, which was spreading through the water. पानी में फैल रहा था. The sludge quickly coated Oli's feathers, and it got coated on Oli's feather also. Oli के feathers पे भी वो स्टिक हो गया, आके चिपक गया, ऊपर उन फेदर्स पे चिपक गया. Mama, Papa, some sticky black stuff has suddenly covered my feathers. I am not able to swim properly. Help me, I am scared. मुझे डर लग रहा है, please help me. Stay right behind me, Oli. Once we reach home, I'll clean you up. Don't be scared. His father said, you be with me. Once we reach home, एक बार हम घर पहुंच जाएंगे तो I will clean you. Then I will clean you, so don't be scared. डरो नहीं. But alas, when Oli's family struggled back to their icy home, they found that the black sludge that covered their feathers was impossible to remove. When they reached home, after that, when they reached home, they found they were trying to remove that mud from the feathers, but it was impossible not to remove. वो उतर ही नहीं रहा था, हट ही नहीं रहा था. That mud was very badly, it was stuck on the feathers. This sticky black stuff on Oli's feathers is just not coming off. I've tried hard to clean it with my sharp beak. They were cleaning, the parents were cleaning Oli's feathers very badly. It was painted, it was coated with that sludge. They were taking it out with their beaks. जो काम करते हैं ये लोग बीक से करते हैं. But that was not coming out. वो बाहर नहीं आ रहा था. I'm feeling ill too. I wonder where all this smelly black sludge in the sea came from. Then Oli said, मुझे भी लग रहा है. I am also thinking. Wonder means thinking that from where did this black sludge, this dirty sticky sludge come from? कहाँ से आया ये? I don't know. We don't know even. Nobody knew that. This black sludge is oil that has spilled out from one of those huge ships that were seen passing by sometimes. I saw this happen many years ago when I was a chick myself. Then Oli's grandfather said that I know from where this sludge has come. It has come from one of the ships, big ships, huge ships. समुद्र में बड़ी बड़ी शिप्स होती हैं, दे ट्रैवल, ठीक है, तो उनमें से ऑयल वगैरह पास होता है, लीकेज होती है या वॉट एवर. सो ही सेड, ग्रैंडफादर सेड, आई नो, मुझे पता है ये स्लज कहाँ से आया है. दिस स्लज हैज बीन फ्रॉम बिग शिप्स समटाइम्स विच पास बाय हेयर. I saw this happen many years ago and I am watching this happening from many years ago since I was a chick. जब मैं खुद एक छोटा बच्चा था तब से मैं ये देख रहा हूँ. Every time it happens. Oli and his family huddled together desperately on the ice, feeling very unwell indeed. Suddenly, a ship appeared on the sea. People from the vessel got out from it and came straight to the colony of penguins. Oli and his family huddled together. Huddled means gathered, collected together. And desperately means very badly. Waiting for something very badly. मतलब किसी चीज़ का इंतज़ार करना है. I am very desperate to look after you, look for you. I'm very desperate to eat this. किसी चीज़ के लिए आप curious होते हैं, desperate होते हैं. So वो लोग बड़ी उत्सुकता से, क्यूरियोसिटी से वेट कर रहे थे किसका? Suddenly a ship appeared on the sea. Suddenly a ship appeared on the sea. एक बड़ा सा शिप आया. People from the vessel got out from it. कुछ लोग उसमें से उतरे. And those people which came down from the ship, they reached to the colony of penguins, where the penguins were living. वो वहाँ पर पहुँच गए. Who are these strangers coming towards us, holding cages? I think they are going to trap us. Oh, who are these people? Those who are coming towards us. They are holding cages. Cages क्या होता है? पिंजरा. Animals को या birds को पकड़ने के लिए जो चीज़ हम यूज़ करते हैं, जो ऑब्जेक्ट हम यूज़ करते हैं, that is known as cage. तो वो केज लेकर आ रहे थे. Oh, I think they are going to trap us. Trap means पकड़ लेना. हमें पकड़ लेंगे. No, Oli, stop screaming. These people have not come to hurt us. They have come to help remove the dangerous oil that has stuck to our feathers. So the grandfather said, No, Oli, don't shout, don't scream, don't be scared. ये वो लोग नहीं हैं. They are the people, those who have come to help us. ये आपको कोई hurt नहीं करेगा, कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाएगा. They have come to help us. They will help in removing this sludge from your feathers. ये तुम्हें साफ कर देंगे. Oli and many other penguins from his colony were put into wire baskets. They were then loaded onto the ship and taken away to a rescue and rehabilitation center for birds. Then उन्होंने क्या किया? वो जो लोग थे, the people, they, Oli and their friends और other penguins जो गंदे हुए थे, उन सबको पकड़ लिया. They put them in the wire baskets. वो जो केज लेकर आए थे उसके अंदर उनको रखा. And then loaded onto the ship. Ship पे उनको रखा, the cages को, and taken away to a rescue. Rescue means save. Rescue and rehabilitation centers. Rehabilitation means recovery. जहाँ पे ऐसे सेंटर्स जहाँ पे इन टाइप के एनिमल्स या बर्ड्स का ध्यान रखा जाता है, उन्हें बचा कर रखा जाता है, ट्रीटमेंट किया जाता है उनका, जैसे हॉस्पिटल्स होते हैं, ठीक है. इस तरीके से बर्ड्स के लिए, एनिमल्स के लिए भी रिहैबिलिटेशन सेंटर्स होते हैं. वहाँ पे इनकी देखभाल करी जाती है, इनका ट्रीटमेंट किया जाता है, इन्हें रखा जाता है सेफली. ऑलराइट. Oli, calm down. What grandfather said is true. These kind people are just trying to get the nasty black sludge off our feathers. Oli, please be calm. हिम्मत रखो, ध्यान से, डरो नहीं. Don't be scared. Be calm, cool. Remember what grandfather said? याद करो grandfather ने क्या कहा था? That these people will help you in removing all the sludge from your feathers and you will become the fresh one. Again फिर से तुम fresh हो जाओगे, smooth हो जाओगे, सारा गंदगी जो है वो तुम्हारे बॉडी से हट जाएगी. But it's so scary when they squeeze me so tightly and pour things on my feathers. But father, what shall I do? ये बहुत scary है, बहुत डरावना है जब ये मुझे पकड़ते हैं. Squeeze means contract. टाइटली पकड़ लेते हैं और मेरे ऊपर कुछ डालते हैं, केमिकल्स डाल रहे हैं या सोप डाल रहे हैं, तो इट्स वेरी स्कैरी. आई एम नॉट फीलिंग गुड एट ऑल. बहुत डर लग रहा है मुझे. नाउ आफ्टर 2 weeks, अब वो सेंटर में रह रहे हैं, उनका ट्रीटमेंट हो रहा है वहाँ पे. 2 weeks हो गए, मीन्स 15 days, ठीक है. आफ्टर 2 weeks at the rescue center, Oli and other penguins were put on a ship that headed back to their icy home. अब 2 हफ्तों के बाद they were all right, they were perfect. They returned into their original personality. So they were again put on the ship and they were headed back to the icy home. उनको उनके घर पे पहुंचा दिया गया. Wee! I am so glad to be back home again. Now I will go tobogganing at top speed and leap straight into the icy cold water to celebrate. Now Oli and his family, they all were very happy to come back home. So in this happiness, he shouted, "Wee! I am glad. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ अपने घर वापस आके. अब मैं फिर से अपने friends के साथ tobogganing करूँगा." Tobogganing, you remember? To slide on the snow or ice with top speed and leap straight into the icy cold water to celebrate. I will enjoy with my friends. I will celebrate with my friends by tobogganing and by leaping into the water, by diving into the water. Flightless penguins with their comical waddle are charming birds. However, out of the 18 recognized species of penguins in the world, 13 are in danger. Penguins have a very important role to play in the ecosystem of our planets, lands and oceans. Good population of penguins keep our oceans healthy. If the number of penguins decreases, it is a sign that our ecosystem is in trouble. Apart from oil spills, which cause great harm to the feathers and internal organs of penguins, plastic bags, bottles and other garbage littered on the beaches can harm penguins and other sea creatures who mistake them for food. Now flightless penguins with their comical waddle are charming. पेंगुइन्स कितने चार्मिंग होते हैं, ब्यूटीफुल होते हैं, एंड उनका जो चलने का जो स्टाइल होता है, दैट कॉमिकल वैडल इज द वे ऑफ वॉकिंग बाय टेकिंग शॉर्ट स्टेप्स. कॉमिकल मीन्स हंसी आती है जिसको देख के, ऐसे ऐसे चलते हैं. देखा आपने? यस. हाउएवर, out of 18 species, now total 18 species are there of penguins. 18 types categories are there. Out of those 18, only 13 are such type. Those who are in danger, just only 5 species are safe. So it's very thing to it's a thing to think about कि ये कैसे किया जा सकता है, बाकी species को भी हम कैसे save कर सकते हैं. What is the process? Penguins have a very important, even these penguins also have a very important role in our ecosystem, in an environment. Good population of penguins keeps our oceans healthy. If the number of penguins decreases, it is a sign that our ecosystem is in trouble. अगर ये कम होते जा रहे हैं धीरे धीरे करके, तो हमारा environment भी spoil हो रहा है slowly and gradually. So we need to save them. Apart from oil spills, हम क्या कर सकते हैं? पानी में तेल को स्प्रेड होने से भी बचा सकते हैं, ऑयल स्पिल्स. इसके अलावा फेदर्स एंड इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स को बचाने के लिए वी शुड नॉट थ्रो प्लास्टिक बैग्स, वाटर बॉटल्स, ठीक है, एंड अदर गार्बेज लिटर्ड ऑन द बीच साइड. लिटर मीन्स थ्रो, फैलाना. बीचेस पे जाते हैं, रिवर साइड पे जाते हैं, व्हाट डू? वी ईट एंड वी थ्रो ऑल द थिंग्स देयर ओनली. वी डोंट इवन यूज द डस्टबिन्स आर देयर बट वी स्टिल डोंट यूज देम. So we should not do like this. We should use the dustbins, and others, we should also tell to others also to use this and not to litter the things on the beach sides and river sides and even on the roads and all that. Therefore, remember never ever to throw litter when you visit a beach. It might hurt some of the wonderful creatures that we are privileged to share our splendid planet with. And remember, when you are going, don't spread. Don't throw. Why? Because we should be thankful to God that we have so much good and beautiful and splendid creatures around us. खाली इंसानों से ही नहीं है, एनिमल से भी दुनिया है, एनिमल से भी इकोसिस्टम है, एनवायरनमेंट है, प्लांट्स, ट्रीज. These all are the part of our ecosystem. These all are the part of our environment. So it's our duty, it's our job to keep them safe and procure. We should be honored. Privilege means honored. हमें प्राउड होना चाहिए अपने इकोसिस्टम पे, दैट हमें गॉड ने इतने अच्छे अच्छे चीज़ें दी हैं एज अ गिफ्ट. तभी तो कहते हैं नेचर्स गिफ्ट, ठीक है. सो वी शुड रिमेंबर दैट वी शुड कीप देम सेफ and procure these things, even the animals also, not only the birds, even the animals also. So this was the story about little Oli penguin. By this story, what do we get to know? That we should never spoil our environment because it may harm the other creatures also. So remember this and let others also follow the things. Okay then, okay students, bye bye.